So I grew up in central Pennsylvania my whole life. I met my partner, Mark Byler. The two of us ended up buying our first skidder and started cutting out small wood lots throughout the valley we lived in. Most of our wood is hardwood.
The reason Foster Wineland focused on skidders and forestry products is Pennsylvania is the #1 hardwood state in the country.
We run a lot of John Deere log skidders, especially the H series. We're very big on comparing our numbers and seeing what we get and what we don't get out of them. The H series has been one of our best or lowest cost per ton machines to run.
The ReLife machines help owners manage their daily operating costs because it's something they're familiar with. With relifing the machine, they can understand that based on their past experiences, they know what it's going to cost them, and they can expect the same after the ReLife as well.
So as soon as the ReLife program came out, we sat down and we looked at it and we thought, well, we're going to give this a shot and try one, see how it works. It's worked great for us.
The ReLife program is extremely customizable. The base program essentially is all reman components from Deere, reman engine, reman axles, reman transmission, reman pumps. Those items have to be considered just to get the machine warranty. Not only are they getting a rebuilt machine, but they're also getting a warranty with these machines.
It really depends on the customer and their machine. So we sit down and they tell me what they want to do. One of our techs and myself would go out to the job, put hands on the machine, run it, and just check it for anything, come back and go over what our findings were.
Or say, hey, we looked at your machine. This is the items that we see that we have identified that we think they need replaced above and beyond the basic scope.
We went down through the list of everything that we really felt was important, and then they went down the list of what they thought was important and talked about it.
He has added all new hoses, all new wiring harnesses, things like that. Additional things that they can choose are creature comforts, complete air conditioning system replacement, interior cab components, a new seat. You know, the operator sat in that seat for 17,000 hours, and obviously a new seat would add comfort to that machine.
I think John Deere, Foster Winelands, and us know what to expect, and it's going very smooth. The ReLife machines have really performed up to our expectation and outperformed most of it. We've just had very little to no downtime with them.
With these machines, he's used them for 10 years now. By relifing the machine, the expectation is he's going to get back a machine that's giving him the same cost per hour and have it for another 10 years if possible.